My name is Johneen and I just got my CDL with Driving Academy. So I'm finally on the road to freedom thanks to this awesome school, the awesome training program that they have, and the awesome teachers. And I'd love to thank the founder, Jonathan, for giving me the opportunity to train today, and not today, but to train on my course and to take my test today and to pass my CDL test. I'm finally got my license. And now I'm free to go out and get all the opportunities that I need to succeed in the world, start my own business as an owner-operator, and just continue on moving from there on up. So thank you, Driving Academy, for giving me that opportunity to walk through the doors of opportunity and to capture what I've been looking for. And that is my freedom with my CDL license.
Hey, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, make sure you hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel. It's really going to help us out. Click on that button. And if you want to continue yourself on your road to freedom, here's more videos to watch. There's endless amounts. Hopefully we get to see each other one day very soon. Thanks.